Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best FPV drones that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have DJI D20 Mini Drone for kids. If you're looking for an inexpensive drone for an older child or teenager, consider this model. This mini drone comes with some useful features to help kids learn how to fly drones. It can auto-hover with its altitude hold system, and it's easy to use with its one-key start-stop function. It also comes with 3 speed modes. However, some of the imaging features aren't incredibly robust. Nevertheless, your kids might find them fun to play with. For instance, the onboard camera has only 720p HD video resolution. The photos are only 1280 by 720 resolution images, which is barely a 1 megapixel photo. But what is fun is that you can take photos and video clips via gesture control. If you make a victory or V sign with your fingers, the drone will capture a photo or video. Moving on at number 4, we have DJI FPV Combo. The first thing some drone races look for when buying a racing drone is its top speed. And this model clearly stands out among FPV drones as it can fly as fast as 87 miles per hour. But the DJI FPV stands out in other ways, too. For instance, take the price. This new kit from DJI provides everything you need to start flying in truly FPV fashion. In addition to the drone, you also get the DJI FPV Goggles V2, a remote control and the new motion controller, and more. That offers you a lot of value for the money. In addition, it can fly in 3 different flight modes, depending on your skill level, and also comes with a number of useful safety features, including the emergency brake and hover mode. Simply press a button on the controller. The drone will stop and hover stably within a few seconds. At number 3, we have FPVetus Pro. Although this model is meant for beginners, it includes all the necessary elements for learning how to use an FPV drone. The FPVetus Pro FPV kit includes the brushless quadcopter and a light Radio 2 SE transmitter and VRO2 FPV goggles. It's lightweight but sturdy, and it also has an emergency battery and low battery feature to avoid crashing the drone. Plus, there's an altitude hold function, which lets that drone auto-hover. It even has a turtle mode. If the FPV drone has fallen to the ground and is now upside down, you can activate the turtle mode via the Light Radio 2 SE transmitter, and it will flip the FPVetus Pro FPV back over to allow you to resume flying. Comes with 3 flight modes and flies at 3 different speeds. At number 2, we have DJI Avada. An important question you'll need to answer before you buy an FPV drone is, what are you buying a drone for? If it's to buy the fastest consumer FPV drone, then you'll want to buy the DJI FPV drone. The Avada's top speed is 60 miles per hour, which is fast but not quite as fast as the DJI FPV, which can fly up to 87 miles per hour. But if you're looking to buy a drone that shoots much better video quality as well as photo quality, then the DJI Avada is the model you'll want to consider. The Avada comes with a large, 48-megapixel 1/1.7-inch sensor, which is one of the reasons you get better quality photos and video. The lens has an f2.8 aperture and shoots with a wide 155-degree field of view. The Avada also captures 4K video at up to 60 fps or 2.7K video at up to 120 fps if you want slow-motion video. And finally at number 1. DJI Tello. For those on a budget, this model might fit the bill. It's powered with technology by DJI, so it's still pretty full-featured for such a low-priced drone. However, it doesn't come with a controller, which is one reason it's so inexpensive. But you can connect it to your phone using the mobile app or a supported Bluetooth remote controller, connected to the mobile app. It's also compatible with VR headsets. Also, if you're interested in learning how to code, or if you'd like to have your kids learn how to code, this drone can be programmed using Scratchmit's coding system for kids to learn on. However, it would be nice if it had slightly high video and still photo resolution.